Good morning all. I am Renu Rajan of second semester SCCM SNIT ADO. Today I am here to present my seminar topic Erection and Handling of Bridges. So first of all we should know what is a bridge. A bridge is a structure built to span the physical obstacles without closing the way underneath, such as body of water, valley or river, for the purpose of providing passage over the obstacles. Here we are discussing about mainly three types of bridge erection. First one, erection of steel girder bridges. Second one, steel truss bridges, and precast segmental erection techniques in concrete. So we are discussing about steel girder bridges. What is a steel girder bridge? The steel girder bridge is a structure in which a floor system and roadway concrete or timber is supported by girders, usually rolled section beams. They are normally used for railways and highways. Following data should be collected prior to erection of bridges, such as time estimate for construction, condition of proper equipment and machinery, condition of bridge site, facility for transportation and storage of materials, necessary supporting system for superstructure, availability of steel structures, width and depth of flowing river, height of bridge from riverbed. First one, erection of steel girder bridges. Mainly there are 5 types of erection of steel bridges. First one, erection by lifting method. Second one, erection by staging. Third one, erection by floating. Fourth one, erection by rolling. And fifth one, erection by launching of single girder span. Third, erection by lifting. For this, steel girders up to span of 30 meter can be easily erected, and this method is suitable for rivers which are dry for most part of the year. In this, a platform is created by filling earth to sufficient height and then leveled. Girders are assembled on the riverbed and filled, riveted or bolted. They are lifted into positions by means of cranes or ordinary rope work from the anchored cables. The flooring and the bracings are then field connected to the girders placed in position. Here the figure shows erection by lifting method. In this figure, a platform is created using soil and then the main girder is placed in the span with the help of cranes and loco cranes. Second method, erection by staging. Favorable conditions are depth of water in the river is shallow, height of superstructure above the river should not be excessive, span should be simply supported. Staging consists of trussed frames which may be of steel. Iron staging is lighter than the timber staging and therefore it can be easily transported. Staging is suitably designed and after it is constructed, the erection of steel girders is commenced on the staging. Figure shows erections by staging. Erection by floating, third method. Favorable conditions are when depth of water is more. Floating barges are used to carry the steel girders. Bridge is assembled on the barges and is floated into position when complete. The barges are positioned that span is our final alignment. Finally, barges are sunk over by floating tanks. Fourth method, erection by rolling. In this method is adopted for erection of continuous girders. Firstly, the span near the abutment is erected by any method of erection and then the first span are brought to required position by rolling them to form the abutment through erected span. This method is also known as incremental launching method. Second span is cantilevered when it projects from the erected span and acquires counterweight stability. This counterweight stability is provided by successive span connected to it and back. Fifth method, erection by launching of single girder span. For this, each girder is first assembled on a track of rollers behind one of the abutments and is cantilevered as far as possible over the span. The lifting block are then fastened to the outmost point of girder and heavy wire is coupled. Rear end of the girder is tied to another which is released slowly in the erection by launching by single girder span. Precast segmental erection techniques in concrete. First method, erection on falsework. Falsework is defined as a temporary structure used to support a permanent structure during its construction and until it becomes self-supporting. Second method is erection by gantry. Gantry is used to lift and support bridge segments or girders as they are placed while being supported by bridge piers. Erection by crane and erection by lifting frames is already discussed in the previous slides. And other types of constructions are balanced cantilever erection. The basic concept of this balanced cantilever construction is to attach segments in an alternate manner at opposite ends of cantilever supported by piers. Progressive placement erection. Progressive placement with cranes or lifting frame is the most time-consuming erection technique for the precast segmental bridges because of single work location. Progressive placement has been applied or considered for 30 to 90 meter spans commonly. Span by span erection. It is the most common, simplest and often most cost-effective method of construction. It is typically used in 25 to 45 meter span with large plan radius and compatible with simply supported and continuous span. High machinery is used for the erection are launching truss and accessories, launching girders and accessories, gantry cranes, hydraulic jacks and travelers.